Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to open our last saved documents and how to use some more tools to become more familiar with Canva. Let's start. See, now Canva is being loading over here and now it's being loaded. So basically if suppose you have made any design and you have just close the Canva, so Canva basically he makes a copy in the Canva document. So basically where it comes, see on the bottom side it's home, on the bottom it's design. Just we'll go to design. Okay, now see on the left side our recent document that's being designed is being in generating. So we'll click over here and see that's our last template we have created. So basically in this video I am just going to show you how to change the background of visiting card and few more tools. So let's see how it's done. Okay, just go on the right bottom side, you will see a plus icon. Just click the plus icon and see over here there's an option called background on the right bottom side. Okay, just click on the option and basically you will see there are so many colors over here. See on the bottom side they are Canva colors. So basically now what I will showing you the all the basic terms. Will not go in more detail because they are more simple, but basic thing you need to know. See, there is black color, pink color and every color. So on the left side you will see a small icon, it's something like paint. We'll click on the paint option. Okay, these are the Canva default colors. If suppose you need to change the colors and you want to see it in the preview of the visiting card, so what we have to do, on the left top side you will see an gradient fill over here, fountain fill. Just click on it and see, just go on back side and there's your visiting card. Now just will be pointing out some colors, whichever color is suits our business. I'll just be selecting somewhere around on brownish shade over here and light brown shade. Okay, now this is what the color. Now Canva, what does Canva do? If suppose you like the color, you want to pick any color, suppose you want to pick the top blue color, then what you have to do, just click on the selecting option and click on the blue color and then top blue color. See, you can see an icons over there and just click done and see your color is being picked over here. Then there are codes also, you can just search online for the best color codes. So, okay, now I'll be just using green color over here. Now the basic part of the background color is being might be clear for you, and dropper tool. And now just I'll be showing how to insert an image or any logo, or if suppose you have created online, then we'll just go on the right bottom side, there's a plus button over there. Just click the plus button and then we'll be just uploading, we upload and logo that we already have created. Now in Canva there are few sites there that have collaborated it over here and they just show you their photographs and everything. Now we'll be seeing in our mobile, I suppose this logo I have created. Okay, and I have a PNG file over here. I'll just be dragging over there and center. So see how Canva is so simple. It just makes me love because it shows alignment, and that's what I need to become a pro. Okay, suppose this is our logo. Okay, now suppose I am just doing a plus button over here and I am just increasing my logo. Okay, now basically the concept is being clear how to upload photos inside the document. Now what I'll be doing in this, I'll be just making lighter for this transparent shade. Okay, now see, I have made my logo on the bottom left side, and now what I'll be doing, just see on the bottom side, whenever you select anything, the tools automatically comes which by which you can edit. Okay, see bottom side, there are effects, you can remove background, but it's in the paid version, but we'll be using free version. Okay, now just go to filter, see there are many filters you can use. Suppose I like this filter, I'll be using this filter. No software just shows you such easy things like Canva. Okay, filter. Now just drag over here and go on. See, there is a checker backdrop chest type icon over here, just click on that. So basically what it is in transparent tool. Suppose you want to make it lighter, see, I am making my design lighter in my background. Okay, see, okay, see, it's getting lighter. I'm just making it smaller just to show you basic things. I'm making it. See now what's happening over here, if I suppose zoom, it's on the top of the my world business. So what will I'll be doing, I'll just go on position. Okay, this is position. I'll be just clicking backward, see, backward. My many layers it goes back, so I'll be just pushing it up, and my then world tool, it's okay, it's done. Now see, this is my garden. Now I'll be showing you how to insert icons inside this. See, okay,